What if the court could assume something is true even before it's proven? That's not fiction, that's called a presumption, and it's a real legal shortcut in the courtroom. So, what is a presumption? A presumption is a legal assumption the court makes about a fact unless it is disproved. It's a way for the court to assume something as true based on logic, common sense, or past experience, unless the opposite party shows otherwise. The Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam Act 2023 under sections 117 to 121 clearly lays out different types of presumptions. First being may presume, which is discretionary in nature. The court may presume a fact is true, but it's not bound to. For example, the court may presume a properly stamped and signed registered document is genuine. Second being shall presume, mandatory unless rebutted. The court must presume the fact to be true unless someone disproves it. For example, presumption of legitimacy of a child born during a valid marriage. Third being conclusive presumptions, which is irrefutable in nature. The law does not allow any evidence to the contrary. It is treated as final. For example, a child under 7 years cannot commit a criminal offense. What's new in the 2023 Evidence Act in relation to presumption? First being better clarity and structure. The new act clearly separates the three kinds of presumptions and defines their scope in a more organized and updated language. Modern day context for presumptions, which includes digital evidence presumptions like presuming a digital signature is valid if it matches the authentication process. Third being gender sensitive presumption. The law retains crucial gender based presumptions like in cases of dowry death or sexual offences, the court shall presume the absence of consent under certain cases. Fourth being simplification of complex rules. Presumptions related to documents, electronic records, telegraphic messages, etc., are now consolidated and simplified to avoid overlaps and contradictions. Let's look into a case law in relation to presumptions. Kali Ram versus State of Himachal Pradesh in the year 1973. In this case, the Supreme Court said presumptions of innocence are foundational to criminal law. If two views are possible on the evidence, the one favoring the accused must be adopted. This case reinforces that while courts may presume certain things in criminal cases, the burden always lies on the prosecution and benefit of doubt always goes to the accused. This is carried forward in the 2023 Act, maintaining that no one is presumed guilty unless proven so beyond reasonable doubt. Presumptions help court save time, but they are not the final word. They shift the burden but not the truth.